Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you how to run to Instagram bot created with Python. First of all, we need to go to my GitHub profile and download the necessary Python file. Click on the link I gave in the video description or go to this link. We are clicking the repositories and we are open the Instagram bot, code and download zip. After downloading the file, we move its contents to the desktop. We have completed downloading the necessary files. Secondly, there are three things that need to be installed on our computer for the program to work: Python, the necessary libraries for Python, and Firefox, the platform on which our program will run. Search for Python on Google and click Downloads. Download the Python. We install the downloaded file, and when we start the installation, this one should be selected. We have completed the Python download. The next step is to install the necessary libraries for Python. Search for cmd and open command prompt. Here we need to write the path to where our file is installed. We open our file and copy the part of its path that is not in the command prompt. Ctrl+C, type cd and press Ctrl+V and enter. To install the necessary libraries for Python, type this code and enter. Downloading the necessary libraries is complete. There is one last step left. If you don't have Firefox, you need to install Firefox as the program runs on Firefox. Now we can run our program. Open the command prompt window and type this code. Press enter. Now we run our program. If you have already logged in and haven't changed your password, you should replace Python login py with Python main py to skip the login page. The username and password information you enter here will be uploaded to the login database in our file. Checking your login details beforehand will save you time, but don't worry, if you try to log in with the wrong information, the program will warn you and you will be able to log in again. I am now logging in into my personal account for you. Our program is now ready. Here are my Instagram, LinkedIn, GitHub addresses. From here, you can contact me if you want. Let's see what the counts on this window is for. From this window, we can pull our followers and following list from Instagram and copy or view these users. At the same time, we can also view the lists of fun users that we mutually follow, non-mutually followers, and fun users. If the operations in this window are not completed, the operations in other window will be invalid. As we will be using a backup account for operations in this window, you should create an account that has no login issues and has not been banned. We have logged into our backup account. Now we can get followers and follow-up lists. We will be able to see these lists in the buttons in the center of the window. From this section, we have alternatives on how to pull the list. Since the program is running for the first time, these selections should be sufficient. The program first takes our profile photo. Secondly, it takes the number of followers and follow-ups or profile. Our followers have started to be taken from our profile. And all the followers have been taken. Now it's the turn of those being followed. The process is completed. Now we can see inside all the lists. Now we can do automatic following and automatic unfollowing. We start with automatic following. The only thing we need to do here is to write which users' followers you want to follow. I will speed up this part to make the video shorter. Normally, I put an interval of 60 to 120 seconds between each following process. If you know Python, you can change this interval yourself by editing my code. This is how the code works. Now let's move on to unfollowing process. Since I closed program before completion, I use Python main PI to access the unfollowing process. If there are users you never want to unfollow, you You can add them to the blacklist here. You can also set the speed of the unfollowing process, but I recommend a speed of 5. Let's get started. The program does not unfollow a user if they are following us or are blacklisted. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you liked my project. If you like that kind of project, you should subscribe my channel.